it can be most reasonably inferred that which of the following accounts for the lack of a geological record concerning the history of impacts on the planet. So we need to give a reason. We need to give a reason why the record concerning the history of the impacts on the planets lost. So let's have a look at the passage, the second paragraph. Simply put, the collision of smaller objects is the process by which the terrestrial planets were born on the surface. That the geological record of the earliest history of the impacts on the terrestrial planet has been lost is troubling. As the process is self-erasing, so this one is the key word, self-erasing to a certain extent, the earliest record would have been lost even process of melting and internal evolution of the planets had not occurred. That means melting and internal evolution still occurring. So this just self-erase or self-erase the process or the proofs records of the earliest history of impacts. So there is a sustainedly or continuously changing uh, changing on the surface and within the planet. So let's have a look at the answer choices. Actually, the answer choice C gives the right answer. A process of change in planets themselves is accounting for the lack of geological records concerning the history and the impact on the planets. So this will be the right answer. But let's have a look at the other answers. The violence of the initial impact, it never mentions about the violence. The outcome, that is not self-erasing. Actually, it says self-erasing. So not B is not. The absence of proof relating to hypothetical. So passage never mentions about the hypothetical collision. The ongoing process of accretion. Actually, this answer choice E, the ongoing process of accretion is mentioned here. In fact, the last stage of accretion is still going on, albeit at a very slow rate. So this ongoing process of accretion help us the history of impact. So it's just the opposite. Answer choice C is the right answer choice.